missed you.
Oh my God, this place is so beautiful.
Thank you.
Jesus.
You like it, right?
Oh my God, babe, you're really trying a lot.
Feel free to go around. Go around and check.
Oh my God, babe, Jesus.
You can feel free to go
Oh
around.
Jesus.
Go around and check.
I love this place, babe. Everything is so nice here. Oh Jesus Christ. Babe, look at this. Jesus, babe, please, will you dash me this one when I'm going? Jesus, I can like to take this one. Babe, Jesus Christ. Wow. This one is so... Oh, Jesus, babe. What is this? I like this one. What is this?
That one is called now. You like it? Now that one's called.
Oh, baby, please, will you dash me this one? Please, now. Please, will you dash me when I'm going?
You are even checking only one.
Oh.
So many things to check.
Oh my God. Babe, this one. What is the name?
That is earphone. I don't see there is earphone.
Oh my God, babe, please. Okay, only this one. You're going to dash me this one. I know I'm your baby. Please, will you dash me, please, when I'm going?
There are so many things there now. You're just on one. So check the rest.
Oh my God, babe. Baby, please. Please, this one is so beautiful. Oh, Jesus Christ, please, babe, only this one. Just dash me only this one. Oh my God, please, you know I'm your babe, please.
Oh yeah, check now. It has not finished. There are still other ones that you will see.
Babe, Jesus, it's your laptop, Jesus, babe, how can I open this?
Easy.
Please, please,
From
I
that,
can't open it.
that dot there, the handle there, that looks like you're seeing there. Yes, that place. Yes, easy. Yes, gently.
Oh,
Gently.
Oh, babe, you promised me you would find a laptop for my friends, babe, Jesus. Babe, please, no, just give me this one. Oh, you've even promised me. I'm not begging you for this one again. I know you will give me because you promised me. Oh, babe, please, just say something now. Babe, please, just say something.
Oh, God, you be a
Wow, look at this S-set. I've been trying to buy this, babe, please. Just give me this one. Oh, Jesus, it's very nice. Oh, this one is so beautiful. Babe, this S-set, so please don't ask me this one, please, babe. Babe, please, just give me this one. This one, though, this one that I'm asking, I'm begging. Please.
Oh, God, you be a
Seriously, oh, Jesus, wow, babe. You sell a lot of things here. I feel like carrying everything. Please just give me this.
I have never just saw drama before.
What that is, I don't know you sell it.
It's enough. Oh, Zole, don't you know that a man who misses pleasure with business will go home and go under pressure? You want this, you want earphone, you want cord, you want laptop, you want headset. Is you mad? Give it to everyone that comes here the way you are asking me. You man, I'm the educator of our village.
Speak for yourself. Very good.
Every time you be shouting at somebody because of this thing that you are shouting at me. Like if I can't afford it, I don't know. Every time you be shouting. I know you are stingy at me. Don't worry now, don't worry. Okay, stop shouting. I'm leaving your shop.
You're going home?
I'm going now. Every time you be shouting at somebody, if somebody asks you for small thing, you will just shout at the person.
Come on,
let me just leave
talk
this
English
up for you before you say I will finish everything.
Babe.
over.
Do I do anything?